Welcome back to Car Updated, the channel where we bring you the latest and most honest car reviews in full detail. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we're taking a deep and detailed look at the Mazda EZ-6. And the one we're focusing on comes in a stunning silver color that really highlights Mazda's modern design philosophy. This car is creating a lot of buzz, and in this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know, from the exterior and interior to performance, pricing, and whether this car is actually worth your money. Let's start with the exterior, because this is where the Mazda EZ-6 immediately grabs your attention. The front design looks sharp, clean, and futuristic, while still staying true to Mazda's elegant DNA. The silver color enhances the smooth body lines and gives the car a premium, almost luxury feel. The front grille is sleek and well integrated, paired with slim LED headlights that give the car a confident and aggressive look without being overdone. The hood lines flow perfectly into the grille, making the front profile look wide and planted on the road. When you move to the side, the aerodynamic shape becomes even more noticeable, with clean character lines running from the front to the rear. The alloy wheels add a sporty touch, and in silver, the reflections really bring out the sculpted surfaces of the body. At the back, the Mazda EZ-6 continues to impress with a clean and modern design. The rear-led taillights look sharp, especially at night, and the overall rear stance feels balanced and solid. The bumper design is subtle yet sporty, and nothing feels out of place. Overall, the exterior design feels well thought out, stylish, and very modern, especially in this silver color. Now stepping inside the Mazda EZ-6, the interior feels calm, modern, and driver-focused. As soon as you sit inside, you notice the quality of materials and Mazda's attention to detail. The dashboard layout is clean and minimal, with a digital instrument cluster that provides all the necessary driving information clearly. The central infotainment screen is well-positioned, easy to reach, and responsive, supporting modern connectivity features that most drivers expect today. The silver exterior pairs nicely with the interior color tones, creating a premium and comfortable environment. The seats are supportive and comfortable, making them suitable for both short city drives and long highway trips. Rear seat space is decent, offering enough legroom and headroom for passengers, while the overall cabin feels airy and well-designed. Storage spaces are practical, and the boot offers enough room for daily use or weekend trips, making this car suitable for families as well as solo drivers. When it comes to performance, the Mazda EZ-6 delivers a smooth and refined driving experience. The car feels stable on the road, and the steering is light yet precise, making it easy to drive in city traffic as well as on highways. Acceleration is smooth, and the car responds well when you need extra power for overtaking. The suspension setup strikes a good balance between comfort and control, absorbing bumps nicely while still keeping the car stable around corners. Road noise is well controlled, and overall, the driving experience feels relaxed and confidence is. This is a car designed for everyday usability rather than aggressive performance, and it does that job very well. Now let's talk about pricing and value. The Mazda EZ-6 is positioned to offer strong value for money, especially considering its design, features, and overall driving experience. While prices may vary depending on the market and variant, Mazda has clearly aimed to keep this car competitive within its segment. You're getting a stylish exterior, a comfortable and modern interior, and a reliable driving experience which makes the price feel justified. Compared to rivals, the EZ-6 stands out with its design and overall refinement. As for suggestions, the Mazda EZ-6 is a great option for buyers who want a stylish, comfortable, and modern car for daily use. If you prioritize design, comfort, and a smooth driving experience over extreme performance, this car makes a lot of sense. The silver color, in particular, is a great choice if you want a clean, elegant, and timeless look. It's ideal for city driving, family use, and long-distance comfort. So that's our detailed review of the Mazda EZ-6 in silver. If you enjoyed this in-depth car review and found it helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with other car lovers, and subscribe to Car Updated for more honest and detailed car reviews like this. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Mazda EZ-6 and whether you'd consider buying one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.